How to make and create a high school resume on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for the resume. Click on resume and it will take you to this page. Go right here and scroll down like this until you find the high school resume right here. As you can see, click on see all and choose a template. For example, this one. You can edit the picture and the informations and everything. After you finish, go here and click download. Very easy, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.